The P0420 diagnostic trouble code is one of the most common emissions-related codes in Nissan vehicles. This code specifically indicates that your catalytic converter's efficiency has fallen below the required threshold set by the engine control module. The catalytic converter is a critical emissions control device that converts harmful pollutants in exhaust gases into less harmful substances. When the P0420 code appears, it means this conversion process is not working efficiently enough to meet environmental standards. The engine control module continuously monitors catalytic converter efficiency using upstream and downstream oxygen sensors. These sensors measure the oxygen content before and after the catalytic converter to determine how effectively it's working. When efficiency drops below the minimum threshold, typically around 75%, the ECM triggers the P0420 code and illuminates the check engine light. The primary causes of P0420 codes account for 70% of all cases. These include a degraded or failing catalytic converter, malfunctioning oxygen sensors, engine misfires that contaminate the catalyst, and fuel system problems that create rich or lean air-fuel mixtures. Secondary causes represent 30% of P0420 cases and include exhaust leaks that occur before the catalytic converter, ECM software calibration problems, mass airflow sensor issues, and EGR valve malfunctions that affect the air-fuel mixture. Recent regulatory changes in 2025 have made P0420 codes more sensitive. The EPA has implemented stricter emissions standards, lowering the efficiency threshold from 2 times to 1.5 times the normal range. This has led to more frequent P0420 codes, prompting Nissan to extend catalyst warranties up to 80,000 miles on many models. Understanding the P0420 code is crucial for proper diagnosis. While it indicates catalytic converter efficiency problems, the root cause could be any number of engine or sensor issues. Proper maintenance and systematic troubleshooting can help identify the true problem and avoid unnecessary expensive repairs. The first step in troubleshooting P0420 is proper code verification. Connect your OBD2 scanner and record all present codes, freeze frame data, and any pending codes that might indicate related issues. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection of the exhaust system. Look for obvious leaks, damaged pipes, or loose connections that could affect catalyst efficiency readings. Testing the oxygen sensors is crucial since faulty O2 sensors are responsible for many false P0420 codes. Use a multimeter or oscilloscope to verify proper sensor operation and response times. The temperature differential test is the most reliable method to assess catalyst efficiency. A properly functioning catalyst should show a significant temperature increase from inlet to outlet during operation. Before replacing the catalyst, address any underlying engine problems. Misfires and incorrect fuel trim can damage catalysts and cause false P0420 codes. Fix these issues first to prevent catalyst recontamination. Recent data shows P0420 codes are appearing 23% more frequently in vehicles with 60 to 80,000 miles. Some Nissan Sentra models from 2020 to 2024 have software-related false positives that require ECM updates rather than catalyst replacement.